Today I'm going to show you how you can earn money with Uber Eats without driving or making any deliveries. Wait, what? Hi YouTube, I'm your friendly affiliate Brent, and on this video I promise to show you how this works. But stick to the end because I'm also going to show you a real sneaky way to do this that can amplify the amount of money that you can make. And yes, while I'm specifically showing you how this works with Uber Eats, you can use this strategy for pretty much any third-party ride-sharing and delivery services like Instacart and Postmate and a handful more. In fact, the more you promote, the more you can make. And then I'm going to teach you how to use the same concept and apply that to other products to make some serious cash. It's all on today's episode, so stick around. But first, if you're visiting this channel for the first time, then you're in the right place to learn how to make money on the internet in the way that doesn't promote shady tactics or get rich quick schemes, but actually shows you ways to turn these strategies into long-term businesses. Now, if you've been watching my videos and haven't subscribed yet, please do us a favor and hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell so you'll be personally notified every time we drop a new video. And it's 100% free to help the channel out and get the content out to more people. Alright, so let's show you how to make money with Uber Eats without doing any deliveries. You don't need to drive a car or pay for gas or take any orders. And the method I'm going to show you is built by Uber themselves to help them grow the company and get the word out. So let's go through how this works step by step. First, let's talk about why I chose Uber Eats with this strategy. And it's simply because with everything that's going on in the world today, more and more people are starting to rely on fast food delivery services instead of going out to eat. And not only are more food delivery apps becoming more popular, this has also caused many people to look for additional ways to earn extra income. I just checked Google Trends on the phrase start a side hustle that's actually gone higher in search in August of this year than it did back in March 2020 when all of this was just getting started. So the point is, right now there are people who are looking for ways to get their favorite foods delivered to them, while on the other hand, there are people looking for ways to earn an extra income. And so you can make money bridging these two people together, and here's how. First step is you're going to need to create an account on Uber Eats. But as I mentioned earlier, the best part is you're not going to need to fulfill any orders, but you will need to sign up for their program. Once you do, you'll have the opportunity to get what's called a referral code. A referral code is a special link they give you, and when you share that link with someone else, like a friend or a family member, and they sign up to become a driver, you can get a referral bonus where Uber Eats will pay you cash for helping them grow their company. Now, when I last looked at their website, they said depending on the city and state you live in, that you can earn anywhere from $100 to $1,000 for every single person you sign up once they finish their first ride. And full disclosure, these referral programs change quickly, so please, whenever you're watching this video, make sure you check the Uber Eats website and read all of their terms. But the point is, this is a way you can earn money online, using one of the popular delivery services right now without having to actually make any deliveries. Okay, so that's the first step. Sign up for an Uber Eats account and to receive your referral link. Step 2 is how we can take that referral code and get it in front of the right audience. Now, I've done a ton of videos on how to share referrals and affiliate links online to make money, so feel free to go through my playlist and check out some of those other videos. But honestly, the most simple way to do this is to write a top 10 list on how to make some extra money. Include options on there, like maybe things like DoorDash or Postmates or Uber Eats, and whenever you mention Uber Eats, use a referral link to qualify for a commission every time someone signs up through you. Once you have this list of ideas, compile them on Google Docs. Make it look nice and download as a PDF. And then share it on sites like Medium, Tumblr, Reddit, or any FB groups or Facebook groups that talk about side hustles. And if you want to go the extra mile, make a YouTube video, either sharing these methods yourself or just using stock videos with captions on them. This really gives you a chance to widen the net and get away with more opportunities to get seen for the same piece of content. And if you really want to take this to the next level, then don't just stop at Uber Eats. Remember, the article that you're writing has 10 different ways to make money. Well, that's 9 more opportunities to find companies like Uber Eats with referral programs that you can use to make money. Now, you're making money on all of these opportunities you mentioned and not just one of them. See, so you don't need to create your own products to make money online. And like you're seeing in today's videos, you barely need to make a website or learn any fancy marketing. You just need to find great quality products with referral or affiliate programs that will pay you to promote them. Now, let's be perfectly honest, will you be making $1 million promoting Uber Eats? Probably not. But if you're just getting started and you're committed on yourself to only 100% free ways to make money online, then this is a great place to get started. And you're going to learn a ton by doing this on your own and at least earn $100 a day by getting one sign up per day. But if you're really wanting to invest in yourself and your business, and you really want to take this whole make money online seriously, then you'll need to find more than just a refer a friend program. You'll need to find companies that are willing to partner with you and not only give you much higher profits, but lifetime commissions so you can continue to earn money every single month, rain or shine. If that's something that excites you and you can honestly say that you're ready to invest in your future and in your business this year, then I want you to click on the link in the description below because I have something to show you. To give you a brief overview, it's a program created by internet marketer Anthony Morrison. In his Partner with Anthony course, he provides tools to help you build a business such as sales funnels and done-for-you email follow-up sequences. He also coaches and trains you on these different traffic strategies, product selection, and effective copywriting. And the best part is that it's only $7 per month. That's 2 cups of coffee or a Hulu subscription. Except you're receiving an opportunity to build an online business that generates money each and every month. Like I said, the link for more information is in the description below. If you're passionate about starting an online business, this is my #1 recommended way to get started. And that's a wrap, YouTube. If I've provided value on this video, please hit that like button. And if you want to learn more about other online strategies to generate income that work today, check out this video I've linked in either the card above or the end screen. This is Brent, your friendly affiliate, telling you to stay straight, stay true, and most importantly, never give up.